How cool would it be if you could make an app in 20 minutes or less? 20 minutes. This one, for example, how cool would it be if you've got a menu and you could order it and you can go into any restaurant and say, I've got a demo food one here. You can have your exact menu. This is just a demo one. This one's going to be a small one with extra mozzarella, thick, and you add to cart one of those. And then I'll have one with ham, with extra mozzarella, large, crispy, extra mushrooms, for example. Quantity one, add to cart. And you can also add some drinks. I will have, actually, I'm having two Pepsis because they're cheaper than lemonade. And then you add to cart. So you've got this in your cart. Go to checkout. As it's not a proper one, this is the end of the demo. But if you could actually do that, sell these for thousands of pounds, how good would your business grow? Get BizStackPro right now. And this, you can learn this for free. So click the link below, and on the next video, I will show you how to make an app in less than 20 minutes.